Hi, welcome to Fish Cooking Teens, and today I'm making cod. So in this recipe you will need lemon, parsley, salt, pepper, softened butter, olive oil, garlic, and of course, cod. So first what you want to do is take 3 tablespoons of softened butter, put it in a bowl, then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 3 crushed garlic cloves. Gotta get a spoon, get it all out. All right, and then you need some chopped parsley, and salt and pepper. Salt and pepper, there's no exact measurement, just go as you like it. So that could be all salt, no pepper, tiny bit of salt, tiny bit of pepper, all the pepper in the world, and a sprinkle of salt. It's really up to you. So now, with all your ingredients in your mixing bowl, you want to mix it together thoroughly. Sometimes it gets stuck in that whisk, you gotta just tap it out. But most importantly, you just want to make sure that you get it all combined so that there's not really salty bits, really peppery bits, etc. So now that it is mixed, we have to move on to the cod. Okay, so now it's time to cut the cod. And always be careful with your knife, even if you're an adult, because you don't want to cut off any of your limbs. It is painful. So what you do is you take your cod, get it out of its container. And cut it up. So what you want to do is simply take your knife, make sure your fingertips are away from the knife, and simply, I said simply, okay, not so simply, chop through the fish. So now you should have 2 halves of 1 whole. Now for me, I'm gonna repeat this once again with another piece of cod right here, and just slice through. And that's that. Now, what you want to do is put lemons in your baking container so that it will be under the cod when you bake it. So simply take lemons, place them in, add the fish, take the lemons, put them in, add the fish. So, now that you have all the pieces of your cod in your baking dish, what you want to do, take your spread and put it on top. So I am going to remove the whisk so that it's out of my way, and just scoop some of the spread up and brush it on to the cod. Now as you can see, I'm brushing it on as if I'm painting, because I kind of am. Basically just get it coated to the point that you're happy with it, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. The next step will be cooking the cod, obviously, because you don't want to eat it raw, always make sure you wash your hands well after handling raw food, because you do not want to get food poisoning or worse. So, anyways, continue spreading on the sauce, if you will. I don't really know what to call it. The spread, the sauce, the spread sauce. I don't know. You tell me. That's the question of the day. What's this called? Spread sauce or other? And if it's other, tell me what it is specifically if you can. So yes, now that I have the cod well covered, now is the time, if you want to add more lemons on top, now is the time to do so. Otherwise, put these bad boys in the oven. Okay, the cod is out of the oven, and as you can see, it has shifted in color a bit and leaked some oils out of itself, but that's normal, so it turned out well. When you cook your cod, you can take it out once it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and for me that took about 20 minutes to do. So here it is, the finished product. Enjoy your cod. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want me to cook something aside from what I've already done, feel free to leave suggestions in the comments. That's all for now. Bye!